Alright, so once you got your boiling water, as you can see, it's not leaking. Great for tea or instant coffee. You press the trigger here. Let go of the trigger. It stops. Welcome back, guys. Today we are reviewing the Tiken kettle. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this. Alright, guys, that's nice. So yeah, that is really nice. So stainless steel 304. So overall, that is really nice. So nice pouring option, and looks like the nice thing about that is if you pour it like this without pressing this in, it shouldn't leak. So this should allow the water or liquid to be poured out. Overall, it's really nice. I like this. Yeah, very nice. Make sure you use the correct burner for this. Definitely stylish for your teas or to make hot boiling water for coffee, you know, and other things. So overall, very nice, well-made quality, just to show you guys how it looks. All right, so once you got your boiling water, as you can see, it's not leaking. Great for tea or instant coffee. You press the trigger here. Let go of the trigger. It stops. Overall, this is going to work great for tea and instant coffee. Absolutely love this. It heats up great, and I've had it setting for 20 minutes and it's still hot.